What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey, your boy's back from hiatus, y'all. Man, your life has been tugging your boy like this. You know, I've been doing a lot of work, been doing a lot of traveling for work. It hasn't been like, you know, any stay in one place for a long time type of work. So, you know, haven't been able to bring the stuff with me to make videos and review stuff and time lapses. But, you know, on top of that, got some family events I had to attend, spending time with some family. Your boy picked up a green thumb hobby, so he started planting some stuff, prepping, you know, farm beds and all that stuff. So it's been a little busy, but now that I got most of that stuff out of the way that I wanted to, now it's back to this hobby, back to this little enjoyment of life right now. So your boy's back with some reviews, man. All right, so even with that, I appreciate that y'all still supporting your boy. You know, my likes are still going up, the subscribers, you know, all the views, the shares still going up. So I appreciate you guys sticking with your boy. I appreciate you hanging out and still supporting me. Let's keep running those numbers. We're almost at 600 right now. And hey, let's keep it going, y'all. And I would love to get to 1,000 by the end of the year, but let's see what what life says, and let's see what work does. So, but anyway, we're gonna get to 2 sneaker reviews. We're gonna do the first one now, of course, the next one after this, and I'm gonna knock out my Air Jordan 6 collection video that I've been planning for forever. So I'm gonna knock that out, promise y'all. So, but the sneaker we're reviewing today has been a grail for me forever. It was a 2012 release when I wanted to get it, and I was not able to get it at that time. So now that they dropped it this year, I'm so happy it was, you know, because I tell you what, I'm down to the point that I'm just, you know, gonna buy some OGs, and like any new colorways, I'm like, you know, it really has to attract me for me to get them. So, but this pair right here, you know, it's a new take to it. Also, they did a new spin to it, changed a couple things that I think made it a little better. So let's get to what the sneaker was. So, all right, sneaker I'm talking about released about two and a half weeks ago, I think. Released two and a half weeks ago, and here it is. Boom. All right, y'all sneakerheads know what sneaker typically comes in this box. So I'm gonna read the label out to y'all. It is the Air Jordan 4 Retro. Colors are off-white, military blue, and the size is 10. Personal size. I was able to cop a rock one, stock one, and sell one, you know, pair of these sneakers. So I'll be able to, you know, grab some money later on if I need some play money. And in front of me, we have the Air Jordan 4 military blues. And I say military blues, and I'm gonna say why I emphasize military blues here in a minute. All right, so first impressions, the quality on this pair, and we'll get to that also. The quality on this pair, so far so good, looks to be great. So quality on a lot of these pairs, of course, people have, you know, reviewed them already and gone over them. And this right here, the quality has been hit or miss for a lot of people. I've seen where these tabs have fallen off on people. I've seen where the nubuck suede on the front, you know, toe cap is, you know, jacked up. I've seen where the netting here is all stretched out and whatnot, not looking good. So overall, my pair is good, but you know, that's terrible for Nike to bring back an OG like this and then, you know, not do that great on execution. So, but again, first impressions, the sneaker is dope. What I like about what they did with this year with the Jordan 4 military blue is that they copied somewhat of the style that they did the SB4s last year with the Highness. So I love it. I love that this came out like this, y'all. And I hope they keep doing 4s in this style. I mean, of course, I still like the OG cut, but this I'm okay with this that new style, the SB4 new style. So also, I will continue to call these the military blues. They try to play themselves and call them industrial blues. Nah, I don't care what they think. I don't care what their problem is with the word military, but me being prior military also, I'm gonna call them military blues forget that industrial blue call that we want to call them. So, all right, y'all. Well, there's nothing left to do but to put these in the turntable in front of y'all, give y'all up close and personal. You know, give y'all the split screen with them on the turntable and me showing you the material nice up and close, so you guys can get your thoughts and everything on them. Of course, like I said, the review's been out for a while, the sneakers been out for a while. Everybody has reviews out, but I'm gonna still put mine out because I like to do this and I like to put out content. So, all right, there's nothing more to it than to do it, right? Let's put them in front of the camera, give y'all a close look, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we got the Air Jordan 4 Retro Military Blues, y'all. So we got these right here. Take a quick look at the box. It's your typical Air Jordan 4 box that comes in. All the OGs come in this box right here. Well, most of the OGs do. And again, typical Air Jordan 4 box, but we're not here for that. We're here for boom. Let's check them out, y'all. So here we got, there goes the insole, the insides of the sneakers. Like I said, y'all, the quality on these are pretty dope. These are the SB4 type of cut on the sneaker. We got the right here the dreaded side lace loops that people keep falling off on. Mine seem to be in good shape right here. The netting is in good shape. It's not strung out or stretched out or anything like that. Neither is on the sides right there. And here we are on the outside of it right here. Nothing wrong there either. Everything seems to go good. Sorry, everything seems good to go. And that Nike tag, of course, just hanging there, the cheapo depot look one. So I'm not a fan of that. But then we got also have seen on some where the back tab was falling off or whatever, but these right here seem to be in good shape. The paint seems to be in good shape. And then of course we got our sole, y'all. The sole looks good to go. Colors are true. And yeah, again, I know it's sad to hear that some people are having, kind of not so lucky with the quality on their pairs that they receive. But luckily on mine, I don't see anything that's been mentioned on the websites and on reviews and whatnot. So, all right, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, y'all. I love the sneaker. I'm glad it's in my collection. And guess what? I've tripled up on these. So, and also so far, all three of mine seem to, good to go. No issues there. So, all right, y'all. Well, let's get back in front of this camera. So we'll give our final thoughts and comments on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, y'all. OG classic. Finally happy to have him in my collection. Definitely going to my 4 selection back here that I got on the back wall. Trying to get them back there so they could look good with everything else. So, but let me know what y'all thought about the video. Let me know what y'all thought about the review, the up close, the materials, the sneaker itself, the release, how it went down. Man, I saw mad restocks of this sneaker go down. So if you didn't cop these, you didn't want them, because I tell you what, they were really available everywhere. Now I know that the restocks probably were mostly because of the degraded pairs. I do see these going to outlets, pretty quick with B grades. So, but the D grades aren't what I've seen for the most part. Not all cases, for the most part, it's I can look past it. So, but I'm just glad the pair I got, didn't have that issue. So, all right, y'all. Well, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you stood this long with your boy. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all share the word, spread it out. The video's finally out for me. So next video, it's another recently released pair, a little bit closer to what the release of this pair. So it might not be too late in putting it out. So, all right, y'all. Well, there's nothing left other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kickstagram channel. We got the Military Blue Air Jordan 4 right here. And until next time, keep it locked in and holla at your boy.